Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we will continue our series in which we will learn how to read the glorious Quran. In today's video we will learn about the shadda. Shadda is emphasis. It's a doubled letter. Without further ado, let's delve right into it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This little W here, this is the shadda. This little W mark is called a shadda. Shadda means there's two letters. One has a sakin and one has haraka. For example, here we have Hamza, Fatha, and then we have a Ba here with a shadda and a Fatha. So if we break this down, what you'll find is that we have the Hamza, and then we actually have two Bas. One of them is sakin, and one of them has a fatha. So we can't say ababa, it is abba, abba, abba. Shadda is like a very strong magnet. It means there's two of a letter. The vowel before it will join to it and attach to it. Abba. In the next example, abbi. Next example, abu. Because there's two letters here, one ba is shadda, one ba has a sukun on it and the second ba has a fatha. So we'll say Hamza fatha ba shadda ab, ba fatha ba abba. Because we're reading two bars joined together with one shadda. So we have Hamza fatha ba shadda ab, ba fatha ba abba. Because we have two bars. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab, ba kasra bi abbi. Likewise, Hamza kasra ba shadda ib, ba fatha ba ibba. Hamza kasra ba shadda ib, ba kasra bi ibbi. Hamza kasra ba shadda ib, ba dhamma bu ibbu. Hamza dhamma ba shadda ub, ba fatha ba ubba. Hamza dhamma ba shadda ub, ba kasra bi ubbi. Hamza dhamma ba shadda ub, ba dhamma bu ubbu. In all of these examples, you notice the shadda is acting like a very strong magnet, and the haraka before it is just connecting to it and sticking to it. And there is an emphasis on the ba, abba. I will read the next examples without spelling. As usual, I'll read it and you read after me, or you read before me, pause it and compare your reading to mine. Abban, abbin, abbun. Notice it's not aban, aban. This is if there was no shadda, aban, abin, abun. Instead, you can hear there's a attachment, there's a connection. The shadda, as a very strong magnet, is attaching the haraka before it. Abban, abbin, abbun. There's a strong connection. Ibban, ibbin, ibbun. Ubban, ubbin, ubbun. Atta. Notice atta, because it's Hamza with a fatha followed by a ta with a sakin and then another ta with a fatha. Atta is joined. Atta, atti, attu, itta, itti, ittu, utta, utti, uttu, uttu, attan, attin, attun, ittan, ittin, ittun, uttan, uttin, Athun, Atha, Athi, Athu, Itha, Ithi, Ithu, Utha, Uthi, Uthu, Athan, Athin, Athun, Ithan, Ithin, Ithun, Uthan, Uthin, Uthun, Ajja, Ajji, Ajju, Ijja, Ijji, Ijju, Ujja, Ujji, Ujju, Ajjan, Ajjin, Ajjun, Ijjan, Ijjin, Ijjun. So, just to recap, shadda is emphasis. It is a doubled letter. Whenever we see this shadda mark, it's like a very strong magnet, and whatever vowel is before it connects straight to the letter, and it's a very strong connection. If we break it down, it's actually a combination of two letters, the first of which is sakin, and the second of which has haraka. If we take the word hatha, it is actually ha, fatha, ha, and then a tha with a sukoon, and then another tha with a fatha. So hatha. So as you can hear, there's a strong connection. It's not hatha, it's hatha. There's two letters. I'm making sure I'm pronouncing both thas. Hath, tha, hath, tha, ab, ba, abba, ajja, ajja, assa, sa, assalamu alaikum. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.